Hello friends, today we are going to cover what is inflation and how we have to control it. That means governments. So friends, within 3 minutes you are going to learn this topic and how it affects stock market. Also you are going to see. So when inflation will come, that means whenever a global shortage came in the form of food or in the form of fuel. So when these two type of shortages came, automatically supply demand mismatch happens. When that time government take steps to raise prices to decrease the demand. So when these type of conditions, inflation will come automatically. So due to recent war situation, it came. So due to Russia Ukraine war, so global transportation problem through sea areas and all those things, and major cooking oil production like one by third happened in Ukraine and Russia itself. And Russia is one of the oil exploration country, so that means they have oil resources and they will export their oil, crude oil, to other countries. So these two major countries participated in a war which causes a global increase price increase of commodities and energy prices, that means oil prices. So due to that inflation increases. And another reason is due to COVID lockdown situations, governments given like something low interest rates and good money inflow into people to give or to survive for their livelihood in the form of like road projects and everything like infrastructure developments, and which are not needed but they created their own for the survival of people. They push money into the economy. So in the form of this, availability of money rises. So due to this, if prices also rising due to global shortage of food and other things, due to money available on hand of people, they are buying. How much increase in price also they are buying. So due to this, what happens means continuous rise of price will leads to an inflation where below poverty people will suffer at certain point of time, which has to be controlled by the governments itself. So there it comes how they control. So there are three methods. One is controlling money flow from the economy, and another one is bringing down the steps, bringing down the prices, and another one is fiscal measures. So recently if you observe, government taken these steps. One is like they are controlling the bank interest rates. So by absorbing to absorb money from the economy, they raised interest rates, one thing. So next, another thing is they are controlling the prices. Government taken steps to control 10 rupees per liter on petrol price by cutting their money, their own money, like tax in the form of tax central government imposed on petrol. So they decreased the 10 rupees. So due to that, what happens throughout India, so 10 rupees on cut in per liter of petrol. And next thing is government also taken steps to decrease like a petrol cooking oil by allowing importers to import more oil from other countries. And next one, government taken steps to cut gas prices also. So these are the things. And due to global shortage, wheat prices are increasing, sugar prices are increasing, and government taken steps which restricted to import huge quantity of wheat and sugar to other countries. By restricting the imports of these commodities, the availability of wheat and sugar will be surplus in India, and there will be cool off of prices, or there will be availability of commodities happens in India. Due to that, the inflation measures somewhat controlled in coming days. So these are the major steps taken. And steel prices also somewhat excess duty cut they happened, and restricted exports of steel. So these are the few steps taken by the government. So this is how government taken steps. And due to presence of more liquidity, more business happens on stock market, and more revenues they will generate, more net profits they will provide. So that is 2020 fall after onwards to 2022 starting onwards, starting up to 2022 starting. So after 2022 starting, so everyone realizes that inflation is high, governments are going to hike and all those things. What happens means markets are going to fall even before government going to rate hike. That means so markets obviously like predict before itself, right? So that's the major reason. So this is how we have to analyze markets and everything. So this is what inflation, and what are the measures to take control on inflation, and how market behaves for a rate hikes and inflation and all those things. So thank you friends, thank you very much.